Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing Wednesday Addams from the show Wednesday, very popular on Netflix. Oh, losing my camera. Yeah, very popular. This show was on Netflix. I think there's season 2 out now. I've only seen season 1. So this is 76780. It's 702 pieces and it was released 2024. On Lego and Amazon there's not really much of a price difference. I think there's 4p in it. So Lego is £44.99, Amazon £44.95. Unless you look for a deal on eBay or somewhere else like Bricklink, you might be able to find a better deal elsewhere. So with this set there is 2 versions. Now you can have Wednesday. You can now have a pretty much like that school uniform, skirt and the blazer. But then also I think there's a way you can change parts. So she's wearing a dress from the popular dance scene that surely most people would have seen. Dressed like that. From the dance scene, you probably would have found it on YouTube if you hadn't seen the show, or even popular on TikTok. So I think I'll go with the popular dance scene one. So let's see how this goes together. I think first there's a few items and then like a big base of a background which suits Wednesday, like a gravestone. her prom dress. I went with the prom dress just to go with the popular dance scene of their prom, which is all over TikTok, YouTube, probably one of the most iconic scenes from the actual series. A few good little additions, there's like the typewriter with Thing. Is he Thing? God, I can't even remember the hand's name. I can't even remember it. I'm sure it's Thing. Then the typewriter, crystal ball, a gravestone, and then obviously looks like the gateway to what her school was, which was Nevermore Academy. This was a pretty cool build. It is basically, she's standing on like a nice gothic looking jewellery box, so the sides do open. I'm guessing this is like the lock thing, lock for it, so you slide that out, and then these sides should be free to open up. There's nothing in them, but I think in the booklet it just shows you that they've got their extra pieces, so like the alternate attire. So it'll be a different alternate face, her hairstyle, and like her dress bit, which is all just crammed in there. I haven't done that, I've just left them in the separate bag. Yeah, I quite like the jewellery box with like the details, the gothic look to it. I like these vines here, and the nice like dark real roses and flowers on there. So now if we close this up, this should act as like a lock. Yeah, can't actually take them out now. So yeah, that is my end build of Wednesday Addams. Wednesday Addams for Wednesday, the Netflix series. I think there's some brickheads of Wednesday as well. Might have to look out for them. But if you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it helps me out, and I'll catch you on my next build. Thanks.